Welcome. Thanks for joining us at the 2024 Florida RV SuperShow. Today we are sharing with you a brand new Coachmen Class A motorhome that has its own unique style coming into the American market. Here we have the 2024 Coachmen Euro 25 EU Class A motorhome. It provides the compactness, features, and looks of a European motorhome with the creature comforts that we are used to as Americans. In the engine compartment, you will find a 7.3 liter V8 Ford engine pumping out 335 horsepower with 468 foot-pounds of torque. The gross value weight rating of this unit comes in at 16,000 pounds with an exterior length of 27 feet and 9 inches and an exterior height of 11 feet and 1 inch, including the air conditioners on the roof. Some features include a 16-foot legless patio awning with a built-in wind sensor, soft closing drawers, integrated day-night shades and the square windows, bus-style mirrors, a 300-watt roof-mounted solar panel with controller. This RV has a 50-gallon freshwater tank, a 31-gallon gray water tank, as well as a 31-gallon black water tank.
Septic tank for an RV.
The unit also comes equipped with a 20-gallon LP tank and a 6-gallon gas-electric DSI water heater. To keep you cool during those warmer months, the unit comes equipped with dual AC units and a heat pump. To keep you warm in those cooler months, a 30,000 BTU EI furnace is included. Well, enough talking about some of the features and specifications of this unit. Let's get a closer look at what this RV has to offer, starting with the outside. Now, keep in mind that this unit is a prototype. It's the second of their prototypes, but they do have this going into production. And I believe in February, sometime in February, March, they should have this on the market, hopefully. But we'll see here soon. We have some storage. Satellite cable hookup, outlet on the outside. LP quick connect down there. Come around the back, you do have a hitch. Gas tank is in the back here. I believe they do have an option to swap out this color around the lights and such. Kind of customize it for yourself. I don't know if that's going to be what they're doing when it's finalized, but that's what I was hearing at least. Here's your power hookup. A little bit of storage. Not too much, but a little bit. And get into your hookup for your black tank right there. Over here's some more. Here's your Onan QG5500 gas powered generator. Propane tank. And here you have your battery bay. Very nice rims. I think they do have a blackout option. Alright, coming inside, you have a handle here to help you get inside. Turning to left as you come in, you have your control center. And as you walk into the kitchen. So you have a very nice countertop here with a 2-burner induction stove. You have a sink here with telescoping faucet, stainless steel. Coming over this way, you have your hood for your stove, and you have cabinets up above. Very nice. Plenty of room in there. And you have a little cubby underneath here too. Maybe to put your spices. Nice backsplash. Really like that. Underneath you have a microwave. A bigger one. Then you also have nice storage underneath for your pots and pans. 3 more drawers right next to it. Put your silverware in there. You push these in and it'll lock this for when you're traveling. They won't come flying open. We have an Integra. Our motorhome's an Integra, and I kind of wish they would do this with our drawers, because sometimes our pots and pan drawer will come flying open during travel, going around a turn. And then we have a little bit of cubby underneath here that might be also for spices. Looks like they're still debating on what they're doing with that. You open this up, and you have dual trash cans and a little cleaning bay. You can put your scrubbing brush and your detergents and whatever for cleaning. Have your little cleaning kit ready to go when it's cleaning day, which seems like every day in an RV. Alright, so if you turn around here, opposite side, you have the refrigerator. Now this is not a bad size. We're used to the residential, a little less hassle. From here up to your cab is the living room area. You have a nice little couch on this side, and this side has a swivel table that comes out. And this is a jackknife sofa, so it does turn into a bed. And as you can see, the chair swivel in the cab. Nice doghouse area. Very nice up here. I like this. You have your tray that comes out. Just pops up and comes out. I'm not going to do it because the chair's in the way. There is no overhead bunk at all, but you do have a cubby hole on either side. Speakers up above. It's a nice swivel TV, Insignia. Only thing I would suggest is put in a better TV. I'm not a fan of these Insignias. Put in a Samsung, you know. You're putting your money and effort into something like this, you might as well top it off with a Samsung. They're, in my opinion, one of the best TVs you can get. Alright. Across from that was the other couch, and here's the integrated shades. And this is with all the square windows. So next to the fridge you have this. I'm assuming this would be a pantry setup. Again, this is a prototype, so this might not all be in stone what they have here. Closet over here where you can hang clothes. And below we have this dishwasher. Also heard that they're in talks of possibly putting a combo washer and dryer in this spot, I believe, instead of this, or something to that effect. And then we're into the bedroom area. Wow, very nice. Really like it. Now, to get to the storage might be a little bit of a pain, so you have to step up. But it ain't so bad. Windows on either side, same kind of shades. Day, night integrated. I like the backboard area. And then you do have a TV in here. Another window on the side. These are nice. The end table set up. Light switch right there. It's like temperature control right in the room next to you, so you don't have to get out of bed. Coming into the bathroom. Not too bad. Shower looks definitely tall enough for someone that's 6'5", 6'6", 6'7", maybe, at the least. A very nice mirror. I like the backlighting around it. It's a big mirror. Got sufficient space on the counter here. And then you have a little bit of storage underneath, maybe for toilet paper. And then also a little bit underneath the sink. Above the toilet, you have another spot for storage. Okay, sitting on a toilet, let's see how the door closes and how it feels sitting in here with the door closed. Is it enough room to do your thing while you're in here? Yeah, I think so. You got about 1.5 to 2 inches before your knees touching the door. Now, I'm almost 5'9" in height, so maybe if you're another half foot or taller, it might be a little bit of an issue, but I think you can make it work. But for most part, it's not too bad. Well, thanks for joining us on this tour. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks and take care, everyone.